Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change jersey number in FC Mobile 24. So first is to tap on the club option. Then from here, tap on the locker room option. Okay, and then select the number option. And from here, choose the jersey that you want to change the number. For example, I want to change this player's number into number 6. So from 3, I'm going to change it into 6. Then click on the checked icon and then click on the change number. Okay, so your change has been saved. So if you want to change the other player's number as well, you can just tap on them and then just type out the number that you want as long as it doesn't existing on the other player. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.